All right, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Have you ever tried to get a shortcut for your iOS device and you think that shortcut doesn't exist because you receive the can't connect to the gallery on your screen? So either you think the gallery's down, there's multiple errors that I just realized come up constantly when you're trying to download a shortcut from the iOS shortcut gallery. And I don't know why it does that, but if you just try again, the gallery will load, the shortcut will show up. I'm going to see if I can duplicate this. We're going to hit the refresh, and there it is. So this shortcut does exist. I'm on running through Reddit right now, trying to find a couple shortcuts, basically to translate voice memos and summarize them to help me ease some of the burden that is involved with publishing my videos and then doing the description and all that stuff. And it's the main reason why I'm so inconsistent with posting content. I've got like a half a terabyte of videos from over the years that it's kind of laborious to edit the videos. But even if I just want to hurry and put them out, from doing this for so long, there's definitely a bonus to writing a good description and title and stuff like that. But it makes you want to go do something else. So I hope this helps anyone who runs into this issue where you're looking for shortcuts to streamline actions and tasks using your iOS device, but you run into errors all the time. And I must have missed out on so many different shortcuts that could have been useful over time because these errors can't connect to the store or the shortcut store or whatever it's called. It's so wild, but I'll show you here. Maybe we can get this to pop up. I'm just going to click on any one of them. All right, there's no links to this one. I'm trying to pull up the shortcut gallery one more time from a link on Reddit so I can emulate what happens, but now I can't find a link with there we go. So when you go to the iCloud shortcut, whatever, let's see. Okay, this unable to find that shortcut, right? So you would give up. That's a perfect example because this just happened. But if you keep trying, there it is. I'm really blown away at the thought of over the years how many times I've seen these errors where it can't connect or it can't find the shortcut. But it all exists. It's all there. There's just some type of weird connection issue, which I don't understand. So there you go. If you ever see that, now you know you can refresh it a few times and you will find the shortcut.